Hi, boys and girls. Our lesson today is called Our Oceans. Our learning target says we can tell what an ocean is and identify oceans on a map or globe. What is an ocean? By Karen Jones. Our planet Earth is covered in land and water. The biggest bodies of water found on our Earth are called oceans. There are 5 oceans found on Earth. They are the Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, Arctic, and Southern Oceans. These oceans cover most of the Earth. Let's learn a little about each of them. The Arctic Ocean is at the very top of the planet, near the North Pole. It is very cold, and during the winter months, it's covered with ice. Some of the animals that live in and around the Arctic Ocean include polar bears, walruses, seals, and whales. This is the Atlantic Ocean. It's made up of the waters between North and South America, Europe, and Africa. There are millions of plants, mammals, and fish that live in the Atlantic Ocean. Manatees, whales, turtles, sharks, dolphins, crab, and fish are just a small number of the many creatures that call this ocean home. This is the Indian Ocean. It flows between Africa and Australia. It's the warmest ocean, and that sometimes causes tropical storms. There are many different kinds of sharks, dolphins, whales, jellyfish, sea turtles, stingrays, and of course fish that live in the Indian Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. It flows from North and South America across to the coasts of Asia and Australia. The Pacific Ocean is home to millions of fish and plant life like sharks, stingrays, coral reefs, whales, turtles, crustaceans, octopus, and lots of fish. The Southern Ocean is at the very southern part of the Earth. Like the Arctic, lots of the water in this ocean freezes in the winter. In the Southern Ocean, you'll see penguins, whales, squid, seals, and sea lions. There aren't as many types of fish that live here because the water is so cold. The biggest bodies of water found on our Earth are called oceans. It's very important that we help to take care of them. Protecting the Earth's water and the homes of millions of plants and animals will help to make sure that we can enjoy our oceans for years to come. All right, kindergarten, here is your job today. You are going to look at all of the names that are listed here. There are some oceans that are real oceans, and then there's some names of oceans that are not real. You're going to grab a crayon or a marker and you will color the thumbs up if it's a real ocean. But if it's not a real ocean, you'll color the thumbs down. If you need to rewind this video and go back just to double check your work, that is fine. Don't forget to do the quick check at the bottom. Bye-bye.